Hello! Today we're going to look at finding the line of best fit from a scatter graph. So here I've got an example of French marks plotted against German marks for a few pupils here, and the line of best fit has been drawn already. So we want to find the equation of that line of best fit. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to select a couple of points. So let's have that one there, that's a 50-50. And that one there, that looks roughly, what's that, about 70, 72. So let me write those down. So 50-50 and 70, 72. I'm just going to change pen color there. So equation of a line, y equals mx plus c, or y minus b equals mx minus a. In both those cases we need the gradient, so let's find the gradient. So hopefully you remember the formula for gradient, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So let's call this one y2, 72, this one y1, so subtract 50, and then we've got x2 is 70, and x1 is 50. So we've got 70 subtract 50. So what have we got there? We've got 22 over 20, and let's simplify that. That's 11 over 10. Or if you like as a decimal, it's 1.1. Right, often in these examples, to find the equation of the line, you can extend it back and find the y-intercept. In this case, we can't. So what we're going to do, or what I'm going to do in this case, is I'm going to use our equation y minus b equals mx minus a. And hopefully remember, we need the gradient and we need a point. We need a point A, B. And that point can be anywhere. And one thing I should have emphasized earlier was when you're choosing the points to find the equation of a line, it's the points must be on the line. Not necessarily the scatter graph points. So for instance, this one here, that's not on the line, so we can't choose that. In fact, none of the scatter graph points are on the line. So you have to choose points on the line. Back to this. So we've got our gradient. Let's put that in, and let's use the point. We'll use the point 50-50. So AB, that's going to be A is 50, B is 50. So y minus 50 equals, find the gradient already, I should say. That's 11 over 10, and our A value is 50 as well. Now that technically is the line of best fit, but most people like to see it as in the form y equals mx plus c. So let's do that. So multiply it. So 11 over 10 multiplied by x, 11 over 10x, 11 over 10 multiplied by 50, that gives us subtract 55. So we will add 50 to both sides, just to get rid of this 50. So we get y equals 11 over 10x, subtract 5. Now this is in terms of y and x, which most of you tend to like working with, but we have our scatter graph in terms of French and German marks, so you can just change that at the end. So we've got the French marks along the x-axis, and we've got the German marks along the y-axis. So I'm going to replace y, we'll just call that big G for German, and x we'll call big F for French. So that is the equation of your line of best fit. Goodbye, and thanks for watching.